Hi, my name is Julie Lokun, and this is Axel Rose, my little French bulldog. As soon as he stops snorting, I'm going to have a great conversation with you because what I really want to talk to you about is that if you're an author, if you're creative, if you're a business owner, you are your brand. You are your brand. And it is so important to create a presence that is memorable. It is so important to create a presence that is eye-catching and something that people will remember. I am holding a class, as you probably know, on April 13th from 5 to 7-ish. I have curated this class to be one part educational, one part interactive, one part creative, and the final part Shark Tank-ish. Shark Tank-ish because I am going to have podcasters and perhaps other media outlets that you can pitch live, that you have that ability to introduce yourself to and see how your pitch lands. Even if you're shy and introverted, that's okay because there are ways around that. There are ways around crafting your brand, making it stand out. You have to get out there. You have to be in the eyes of people and other audiences. When you are in front of a podcast, or if you are a guest on a podcast or radio show or TV show, you have the gift of another person's audience. It can create an exponential effect for you in terms of building your audience. You want them to know, like, and trust you. So they buy your book, they buy your brand, they buy into your brand, buy your service. It is so important that you take that first step and understand, what does your brand look like online and how can you make it really memorable, and what sets you apart from everybody else. There is something special about you. I know this. There's something special about you because you have been working your tail off to create this brand, this message, and then you wonder why you aren't getting the adulation that you deserve. So this is what we're going to talk about. April 13th, 5 to 7:30. Remember, bring your game on, bring your pencil sharpened, and get ready for an event that I hope you learn from and will succeed with. My name is Julie Lokun. I'm the founder of the Mediacasters, where I elevate voices of impact through podcasting, publishing, and presenting with a little sprinkle of public relations. That's the Mediacasters. I look forward to meeting with you. Reach out with any questions. Grateful.